Welcome to Konsipark in Lucerne, Switzerland, a hidden gem that transforms into a winter wonderland during the colder months. Let's explore the serene beauty of this park together. Starting with the scenic pathways, winter blankets the park with a peaceful layer of snow, making every step feel like a journey through a fairy tale. As we move higher, a panoramic view of Lucerne emerges. Snow-covered rooftops and rolling hills set a breathtaking backdrop to the tranquil town below. The castle-like architecture within the park adds a touch of history and charm. The frost-covered grounds surrounding it enhance the magical feel of this location. Another perspective of Konsipark highlights its elegant design. The timeless architecture, framed by snow-laden trees, feels almost like a painting. From here, we get a clear view of Lake Lucerne in the distance. The shimmering lake contrasts beautifully with the crisp white snow and the muted colors of winter. Zooming closer, the snow-dusted mountains stand tall across the lake, their majesty amplified by the overcast sky. The scene captures the quiet power of nature in winter. Looking further across the landscape, the park provides some of the best winter views of Lucerne. A mix of natural beauty and the charm of Swiss architecture greets every visitor. Konsipark's hilltop vantage point reveals the intricate layout of Lucerne's neighborhoods. The snow here turns the everyday into something extraordinary. Finally, the misty hills in the distance remind us of the calm and serenity that winter brings to Konsipark. Whether you're here for a stroll or simply to soak in the views, this park is a must-visit during the snowy season. Thank you for joining JJ's Guidebook on this winter journey through Konsipark. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures and hidden gems.